In the quiet, early hours, before the day fully asks for you, you may already feel it. The quick scan of your mind for what's next, the tiny tug of worry, the pressure to be on right away. If your thoughts are racing or your emotions feel a little unsettled, let this be your invitation to pause, just for a few minutes, to turn inward, to remember there is a steady place inside you that the morning can't rush. Take a moment to arrive exactly as you are. No fixing, no performing, just arriving. And here's a gentle truth to hold this morning. Emotional balance isn't something you force, it's something you allow by coming back to the present moment again and again. Not perfectly, just patiently. You might notice how easily the mind travels ahead. Maybe you're brushing your teeth while replaying yesterday's conversation, or pouring coffee while imagining all the things that could go wrong today. Even simple chores, making the bed, checking your messages, can become tangled with future anxieties. And the world doesn't exactly help. Notifications, headlines, to-do lists, comparisons. It can feel like your nervous system is asked to sprint before you've even taken your first full breath. But mindfulness offers a different way. Instead of chasing calm, you practice meeting what's here. Instead of wrestling your thoughts, you learn to watch them like weather moving through the sky. Thoughts can be loud, emotions can be strong, and still, beneath all of that, there is a quiet steadiness, an inner ground you can return to. Jon Kabat-Zinn shared a simple reminder that many people come back to again and again. You can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Let that land gently. You can't always stop emotions from rising. You can't always control what the day brings. But you can learn to ride the waves with more kindness, more steadiness, and more choice. Now, let's begin our morning grounding meditation for emotional balance. Find a comfortable position. You may be seated upright, feet on the floor, or lying down if that feels supportive. If you're seated, let your spine be long, but not stiff, like a tall plant that can still sway. Let your hands rest easily, unclenched. Soften your shoulders. If it feels safe and comfortable, allow your eyes to close or keep them slightly open with a gentle, unfocused gaze. Take a slow breath in through the nose and let it go with a soft exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. You don't need to breathe in any special way. Just feel the breath as it is. Notice where it's most obvious for you this morning. Maybe at the nostrils, maybe in the chest, maybe in the belly, rising and falling. Choose one place to rest your attention, like placing a warm hand on a steady anchor. And now, begin to sense your body as a whole, not as a problem to solve, but as a home you are returning to. Bring your awareness down to your feet. Feel the contact with the floor, the bed, or the ground beneath you. Notice pressure, warmth, tingling, or perhaps you feel very little, and that's okay. Even numb is a sensation you can notice. Imagine, just for a moment, that the earth beneath you is calm and steady, old, patient, supportive. As you exhale, let yourself be held. As you inhale, let yourself receive. Now, gently scan upward through the body. Feel your calves, your knees, your thighs. If you notice tightness, see if you can soften around it rather than pushing it away. Let your hips be heavy. Let your belly be easy. And now bring a friendly awareness to the area of your chest, where emotions often live. You might sense openness, tightness, fluttering, heaviness, or nothing clear at all. Whatever is present, let it be met with kindness. Silently, you might say, "This is what I'm feeling right now." Not as a label, not as a story, just as an honest acknowledgement. Now move awareness to your shoulders. Many of us carry the day here before it even begins. As you inhale, gently lift the shoulders a little, and as you exhale, let them drop. Again, inhale, lift slightly. Exhale, release. Let your jaw soften. Let the tongue rest. Smooth the space between the eyebrows. Now, return to the breath. Breathing in, you may sense a quiet gathering of energy. Breathing out, you may sense a letting go. If thoughts pull you away, planning, remembering, judging, notice that gently. You don't have to argue with the mind, just acknowledge thinking, and then return to the breath, like returning to the shore.
Now let's add a grounding image. Imagine there is a warm, steady light low in your body, around the belly or the base of the spine. A soft morning light, not too bright, not demanding. With each inhale, this light grows a little steadier. With each exhale, it spreads through the body, like warmth slowly filling a room. As you breathe, imagine roots extending downward from you, through your feet or through your seat, into the earth. These roots don't force anything. They simply connect. They remind your nervous system, I am supported. I am here. If an emotion is present this morning, stress, sadness, irritation, uncertainty, see if you can hold it in a larger space, not pushing it down, not amplifying it, just allowing it to exist inside of steady awareness. You might try this simple practice. On the inhale, quietly say, I'm here. On the exhale, quietly say, I'm safe enough in this moment. Repeat that a few times at your own pace. I'm here, safe enough in this moment. I'm here, safe enough in this moment. And now, offer yourself one nurturing intention for the day. Not a demand, just a direction. Something like, today I choose steadiness. Today I meet myself with kindness. Today I return to the present again and again. Feel what it's like to hold that intention gently, like carrying a small cup of warm tea, careful, calm, unhurried. Take one more deeper breath in and a long breath out. Begin to notice the room around you, the sounds, the temperature of the air, the simple fact that you are here, beginning again. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if that feels good. And when you're ready, let your eyes open, softly, slowly. As you step into your day, remember, balance isn't the absence of emotion. It's the presence of you, aware, grounded, and connected, no matter what arises. And if you feel comfortable, honor your practice by silently choosing one word for how you feel right now: steady, open, calm, tender, present. If this is a space where you share with others, you're welcome to leave that one word as a gentle offering to the community.